amoy mo. Huwag mo amoy lahat, tiran mo kami.
Alright, before anything else, you should know about this board. There are different kinds and types of board. This one is a prep board, a material for prototyping electronic circuits. It is a thin, rigid sheet with pre-drilled holes. This prep board is a single layer or a single-sided, which comes with one layer of conducting material, which is the copper. And the other side is used for placing or setting different electronic components on the board. You should thin your soldering tip before its soldering session. Keep the soldering tip thinned all the time. The first step is mount the component. Begin by inserting the leads of the component into the holes of the circuit board. Flip the board over and bend the leads outward at a 45-degree angle. This will help the component make a better connection with the copper pad and prevent it from falling out while soldering. Hit the joint. At this point, touch the tip of the iron to the copper pad and the lead at the same time. You need to hold the soldering iron in place for 3 to 4 seconds in order to hit the pad and the lead. And then, apply solder to the joint. Continue holding the soldering iron on the copper pad and touch your solder to the joint. Remove the soldering iron and let the solder cool down naturally. Don't blow on the solder as this will cause a bad joint. Lastly, snip the leads. Once cool, you can snip the extra wire from the leads.